This is a situation where this vehicle is at the repo company in Van Nuys, California. And what happened is this vehicle has been taken to the dealership. Here's the proof. BMW of Santa Maria. What happened is this, they check everything. Is the client state vehicle cranks 1 star, customer did lose original key is aftermarket, so they can't see what's going on with this vehicle. They can't even fix it. So the good part, they charge $0 because they can't do anything. And that's the weirdest part, because BMWs, they should fix the car. Even if they charge your arm and leg, they should fix your car, because you're taking the vehicle down to the dealership. And the vehicle just crank, but no start. So I check everything on my computer here, and what I did, I reprogrammed, I rematched the ECU to the car and all that, made sure everything is fine. We're gonna give it a try right now. This is the key. And what happened is, let's see if the vehicle starts now. It won't start before. Now the vehicle starts. Now, if you see, we're gonna have a check engine light on. I can step on the gas, but I can feel the car is not running fine. But at least I make it run, which is the dealer can't do it. If you have this type of problem, and if you are in San Fernando Valley, California, just give me a call at 818-941-1274. And this is only in San Fernando, California, not far away, just San Fernando Valley, California, north of Los Angeles. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thank you.